The little fish with a big dream. In the heart of a vibrant coral reef, where colorful fish danced among swaying anemones and playful dolphins leaped through the crystal clear waters, there lived a tiny fish named Finny. Finny was the smallest and most timid of all the fish in the reef, often overshadowed by his larger and more vibrant counterparts. One sunny morning, as Finny was exploring the underwater world, he overheard a group of fish talking about their dreams for the future. They spoke of swimming across vast oceans, exploring sunken shipwrecks, and befriending creatures from all corners of the marine world. Finny listened with wide eyes, his heart filled with a yearning he had never felt before. He too dreamed of exploring the vast unknown, of experiencing the wonders of the ocean and the beauty of its inhabitants. But he was afraid. He was small and slow, and he doubted his ability to survive in the open waters. With a sigh of resignation, Finny returned to his safe haven among the coral reefs, his dream tucked away in the corner of his mind. But as the days turned into weeks, he couldn't shake off the feeling that there was more to life than simply hiding among the rocks and watching others explore. One day, as Finny was observing a school of larger fish swimming effortlessly through the water, he noticed a wise old sea turtle gliding gracefully nearby. The sea turtle had eyes that sparkled with wisdom and a shell that bore the marks of countless journeys. Finny gathered his courage and approached the sea turtle, his voice barely a whisper. "Excuse me, wise sea turtle," he asked, "but can you tell me how small fish like me can explore the vast ocean?" The sea turtle smiled gently and replied, "My dear Finny, the key to exploring the ocean lies not in your size or strength, but in your determination and courage. The ocean is a world of endless possibilities, but it also holds challenges. You will face currents, storms, and predators along the way. But if you believe in yourself and never give up on your dreams, you can achieve anything you set your mind to." Finny's eyes widened with hope. He had never thought of it that way before. Perhaps he didn't have to be the fastest or the strongest to achieve his dream. Maybe all he needed was a little bravery and a lot of perseverance. With renewed determination, Finny set out to prepare for his adventure. He practiced swimming in different currents, strengthening his muscles and improving his endurance. He learned to identify dangerous predators and how to avoid their attention. And he studied the movements of the ocean tides, planning his journey with careful consideration. Finally, the time came. Finny bid farewell to his friends and family, his heart filled with a mix of excitement and nervousness. He took a deep breath, adjusted his tiny fins, and set off into the open waters. The ocean was a vast and wondrous place, filled with life and beauty. Finny marveled at the colorful coral reefs, the playful dolphins, and the majestic whales that glided effortlessly through the water. He encountered creatures he had only dreamed of, from tiny plankton to giant manta rays. Along the way, Finny faced challenges he had never anticipated. He battled strong currents, narrowly escaped predators, and even braved a fierce storm. But with each obstacle he overcame, his confidence grew stronger. He realized that the ocean was not just a place of beauty, but also a place of resilience and adaptability. After months of exploration, Finny returned to his coral reef, a seasoned and confident explorer. He shared his stories with his friends and family, inspiring them to venture beyond their comfort zones and explore the world beyond their reef. From that day forward, Finny became known as the adventurous little fish, his name whispered with admiration and respect by all who dwelled in the coral reef. He taught them that even the smallest creatures can achieve great things, that dreams have the power to guide us, and that the greatest adventures always begin with a leap of faith.